Title: Cybersecurity Basics. Protect yourself online. Intro music and animation host. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects everyone who uses the internet: cybersecurity. We'll cover what cybersecurity is, the types of cyber threats out there, and how you can protect yourself and your personal information online. So, let's get started. Transition: cybersecurity definition host. First off, what is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity involves protecting internet-connected systems like hardware, software, and data from cyber attacks. It's all about keeping our digital information safe and secure. Types of cyber threats host. Now, let's talk about the types of cyber threats you might encounter. There are several, but here are some of the most common. 1. Malware. This includes viruses, worms, and trojans that can damage or disrupt your system. 2. Phishing. These are deceptive attempts to obtain sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. 3. Ransomware. A type of malware that locks you out of your files and demands payment to regain access. 4. Social engineering. Manipulating individuals into divulging confidential information. 5. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Intercepting communication between two parties to steal data. Transition: securing your device's host. Let's move on to how you can secure your devices. Here are some tips. Use antivirus software. Always have reliable antivirus software installed and keep it updated. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for different accounts and change them regularly. Two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA wherever possible to add an extra layer of security. Transition: safe internet practices host. Recognize phishing scams. Be cautious of emails and messages from unknown sources asking for personal information. Safe downloading. Only download files and software from reputable sources. HTTPS. Always look for HTTPS in the URL when browsing or making online transactions. It indicates a secure connection. And don't forget about social media. Adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your information and be mindful of what you share. Transition: cybersecurity for businesses host. Cybersecurity isn't just for individuals, it's critical for businesses too. Cyber attacks can have devastating effects on businesses. Here are some best practices. Employee training. Ensure employees are aware of cybersecurity threats and know how to avoid them. Implement policies. Establish strong cybersecurity policies and protocols. Conclusion and call to action host. To wrap up, we've covered the basics of cybersecurity, including common threats and how to protect yourself and your information. Remember, staying vigilant and following best practices can go a long way in safeguarding your digital life.